to showcase some of my favorite contemporary slash affordable luxury brands. And of course I have an unboxing as well. So let's get into it. Hi guys, my name is Celesta. We talk about all things luxury shopping and handbags. If you love those things, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification. I do post videos every week. So I figured we would start with the unboxing because this box has literally been sitting in the corner for the last few days and it's taken every ounce of self-control to not open it because I wanted to do a blind unboxing. So here it is. So I'm sure you can tell by the name on the box, it is from Myrta. Myrta is a website where they source different Italian artisans from all over Italy. And these are really like boutique artisans, so you wouldn't normally be able to buy their stuff online or anything like that. And Myrta really makes it accessible for you and I, so we can go and pick out these unique designs, these handmade designs that you wouldn't normally see like on the street, for example. So it's not exactly like how Louis Vuitton only sells Louis Vuitton products. It's almost more like Amazon, where Amazon is the website and then it connects you with a bunch of different vendors and a bunch of different products you're able to buy. Myrta really does that, except with luxury handbags, handmade Italian artisan handbags. I'm not gonna lie, my expectations are pretty high because even like Louis Vuitton's not handmade these days. I don't know if someone needed to tell you that, but they're not handmade. Chanel's not handmade these days. And so I'm really excited about this because I'm really hoping for a good quality handbag and something that's gonna be a little bit more unique. I did pick a more unique style, I have to say. It wouldn't be something that I would normally get. So I have to thank Myrta for sending this to me and letting me review this. I'm so excited to open it. The box literally is unopened. So I'm really excited. Okay, figured we'd just jump right into it because I cannot wait any longer. So here she is, clearly a very graceful unboxing. Oh, luxury made by people, not brands. Wait, I actually love that. That's actually so cute. Look at that. I love that. Okay. Oh, okay, here she is. So I'm gonna put this down. So this is the bag. It's from Bulgarini Celeria. I think that's how you pronounce it. Established in 1955. So literally like 70 years at this point. Dust bag first. Amazing quality. We love that. I think that something a lot of brands, especially like more popular luxury designer brands, don't take into consideration as much these days anymore is the dust bag. Like some Louis Vuitton dust bags are like not very high quality. And this is like, and I know it's a very nitpicky thing. I totally understand that, but something about this is just like amazing. Okay. Oh, oh my God. It has like that like leather smell to it. But let me show you guys the bag. Guys, what? This is so cool. Okay, I gotta figure out how to open this first. Can't decide. So crossbody strap has very adjustable holes. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different holes, which we love. I am on the shorter side, so that is definitely a must for me. And it has a little like key clay. I don't know what else these are called, but it has one of those. So, I mean, look at her. She is like almost like a seashell design. I think this is so cool. The leather is like a smooth leather. Okay, so it opens up like this. And here's the opening. It has this beautiful like suede interior. I don't know if this is gonna be the most practical bag, like I'll be honest with you, but it feels very well made. And this is just such a cool bag. I'm obsessed. Look at that. So it says here it's genuine Florentine vachetta leather. So we probably will have to be a little bit delicate with it. But overall, I love this. I think this is such a unique bag. Like, I mean, you can kind of see there's like nothing else like this in my collection. So I'll definitely be using this all the time. Again, not the most practical bag, let's be honest, because the clasp is a little bit finicky, but I think that this is so unique that I mean, it's gonna be a conversation starter for sure. So it is no secret that you guys know I love a good sale, especially if you follow me on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, here's my Instagram. I guess here's TikTok too. But you guys know I love a good sale. I'm always posting different sales, linking to different things on my Instagram story. You guys are here to hear first. Myrta is gonna be having a July artisan sale. There will be a lot of different items available online that are gonna be on sale at the already affordable, in my opinion, price. I do feel like for the quality that you're getting, that the bag is handmade, and all of these different things, like it's a very affordable price for a luxury handbag. But it's going to be even more affordable because they're going to be having this sale. And then on top of that, they have given me a discount code, which I'll leave like here on the screen for you guys. It is going to be July 10. You can take an additional 10% off on all of these sale items. Transparently, I don't make a commission off of that, so you can use it if you want to use it. But I know I always scour the internet for different codes and things like that whenever I am shopping. So if this helps you save a little bit of money, I'm glad it did. So I also wanted to talk about a few of my other favorite contemporary brands that I do feel like are at the affordable luxury price point. They're amazing quality and at a pretty reasonable price point, and it's not going to break the bank like some of the luxury designers do. So starting off with Polène. This should be no secret at all. If you look on my shelf, I have so many Polène bags. I love them. They don't pay me to say that. I wish, but I honestly love Polène. I have almost every single one of their styles with them, and I think that you guys really enjoy seeing those videos as well. So I'll be doing a few more Polène videos. I don't want to bog down this video because I have so many Polène videos already. So if you want to see a full Polène review, I'll leave the playlist up here for you guys, and you guys can go check it out. Another one of my favorites, again, this should be no surprise, especially if you've been following for a while, is Longchamp. Longchamp is one of my favorite contemporary brands, affordable luxury brands, especially their Le Pliage line. I know a lot of people are going to say this is basic, a lot of people have it, but I personally don't feel like Longchamp is a fashionable bag. Just like how you don't carry a Neverfull and you're like, oh my god, look at me, I'm so fashionable. You're carrying a bag because it's practical. You're carrying the bag because it's carefree. It fits literally everything that you need. I've had the small size, I've had the large size, I've had different duffel travel bags as well, and I very rarely buy the same style bag or even the same bag in different colors, and yet I've continued to do that with Longchamp. I think for $150 to $250, I think, for the duffel, it was so well worth it. And then of course you can always go to Europe too and get it for a lot cheaper. I think in Europe it's about like 70 or 80 euros, so it's a lot cheaper than it is here. So it should be no surprise if you still have not hopped on the Longchamp train. You got to get on. I know that it's not new. A lot of people have it already, but it's one of my favorite bags because it is so practical and I don't have to worry about it when I'm traveling or when I'm going to work. It's not a bag you have to worry about versus some of the bags that you have. It's a bag that you have to worry about, like the book tote. I'm not just going to put that on the floor of the plane under the seat, you know? So, but the Longchamp, I will. I have no problem with that. So if you haven't hopped on the Longchamp train, definitely get on it. I highly recommend. So another brand I've definitely been introduced to more recently and I've been loving is the Paris 64 brand. This bag is from Paris 64. It's this basket raffia bag. I didn't have a basket bag prior to this. So this was my first basket bag and then I got the Loewe one. So if you guys want to see a comparison between like a more affordable basket bag versus a luxury basket bag, let me know in the comments. But this was the first like raffia bag and I used this like nonstop for about the first 2 weeks that I got it. It's very well made. It came in a beautiful box. It came with a dust bag and I mean, it's a summer bag and we love it. I think something that I also really like about this bag in particular is the black accents. So that this way you can kind of dress up the bag or dress it down. Overall, there's quite a few different styles from Paris 64 that I really like. And I'll be sure to link all of my favorites in the description box. If the quality is anything like this one, I definitely think that I'll be trying more of their bags soon. So yeah, I really like them. Another brand that should be no surprise to you, especially if you've been following for a while, is Kate Spade. And when I first started buying handbags, like Kate Spade was my first handbag. And I think I bought Kate Spade continuously for quite a few years until I started getting into more like luxury designer handbags, and even then I would still buy Kate Spade. So this was my last like Kate Spade purchase, and she is so cute. This is like a little cosmetics pouch. This is a Hawaii exclusive, and that's mainly why I got it. It doesn't fit much, I'll be honest. It's a pretty small cosmetics pouch considering I use a lot of cosmetics, but this is perfect just to slip in your purse. You have your powder in there, you have maybe some like tampons, makeup wipes, you know, things like that. That's really small, and you can just keep it like in this little bag. And then of course I got one for my best friend too, and she loves it. I have continuously loved Kate Spade for so many years. The quality is amazing. I feel like it's very durable. Like I think this like Saffiano leather or something is very durable. They have so many unique designs too. So yes, they have more classic bags. They have bags like crossbody bags or tote bags that you can use like every day and it's never gonna go out of style. But they also have really unique designs as well. They have different like novelty bags that I really enjoy, and I don't know that I would go and get them, but I think that for the price point, if you do want a novelty bag, it's pretty reasonable. You're not spending, you know, $3,000, $6,000 on a novelty bag. You're spending maybe like $200, which I think is always really fun. The last brand we're going to touch on today is Coach. It has been no secret that Coach has been making a comeback in the last maybe year and a half. They've had a whole rebrand, and I think that they do make really good quality pieces. The price point, they used to go on sale a little bit more often, I will have to say, and I've noticed that they don't have as many styles on sale anymore. Usually the styles that they do have on sale, or the colors that they have on sale, are not usually like black or brown. They're gonna be more like seasonal colors, so those are gonna be the styles you can find on sale. I am a huge advocate for not paying full price if I don't have to, and I know Coach is one of those brands that you can get discounted, so that's my only like qualm, I would say, with Coach. But I think in terms of the different styles in their rebrand, I really appreciate it. I think they've done really well for themselves. They've scrapped kind of the logo mania monogram that they used to have going on. They used to put that on a lot of their bags, and now they're really focusing on leather bags, bags that some don't even have a logo. Like you may not even know that it's Coach. One of my favorite bags that they've come out with recently is the Coach Swinger. It's very similar to my Easy Pouch on strap, in my opinion. You can wear it as like a little shoulder bag. You can also wear it as a crossbody. And then I think with the Coach Swinger, you can even like customize it, I think that's the word, where you can put different like embellishments on it. You can put flowers and like stickers, I think, and it makes the bag very unique, and that's something that I really appreciate. I think for a couple $100, it's definitely worth it, especially if you're looking for a versatile bag. I love the Coach Swinger specifically. The Coach Pillow Tabby, assuming you haven't been living under a rock, that has also been a very popular bag. I think that bag has died down in popularity in the last maybe like 8 or 9 months or so, but still a very popular bag and a very fun like summer bag, I think, since they're constantly coming out with more like pastel colors and really ways to rope you in to get that bag. So that sums it up for this video. Thank you, Myrta, for partnering with me with this video. I am absolutely in love with this bag, and I'm so excited to use it. This is like, I don't have anything else in my collection like this at all, and so I think that this is going to be one of those very unique conversation starter kind of bags, and I'm so excited to use it. I'll definitely be stalking the website for all of their sale finds, and anything that I find and love, I'll be listing it in the description box below, as well as linking it on my Instagram when the sale does hit. So if you love all things sales and discounts, make sure you follow me on Instagram and check out my Instagram story. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this opened your eyes up to these new affordable luxury brands that you may not have known about. Let me know in the comments which brands are your favorite, if you've tried anything from any of these brands that I mentioned before, or if there's anything on your wish list that you're looking to try. I'll leave another video for you guys here, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!